Jesus Christ.
So, we have a problem with the E46 again. You're probably asking the question right now, you're still clearly driving it, so it can't be that bad. Well, you E46 people will know that a very common issue on an E46 of any generation is that the prop shaft, donut, whatever you want to call it, likes to have a bad day. And to be fair, this probably is the one that was on the car when it was made, and they're what, over 20 years old now. So yeah, it's not in the best shape in the world. I can't put my foot down. I'm driving very gentle. It vibrates like mad. It feels horrible to drive, and I can't put my foot down at all because I'm at risk of it completely going. We have the replacement. It's something that needs to be done as soon as possible. I was going to wait and give it all a refresh underneath, but I can't drive the car and I need the car pretty much every day at the minute. So yeah, we're on the way to get that fixed. It might be a way of the world saying here's some content, because I'll be honest with you guys, I had no idea what I was going to film this weekend. But yeah, now I have some content. We're going to fix the prop shaft donut on the E46. We're heading down to OverPerform now, get it on the ramp, get the old one off. I've got the replacement next to me, get the new one on, new bolts, and fingers crossed it should be completely fine. I'm hoping it goes smoothly, but we all know what it's like working on cars. It may not be the smoothest thing in the world. We've got the day to do it. It needs to be done. So let's get there and fix my E46.
So, today is a day, thank God.
Yeah, a long-awaited day.
I
haven't even shown them yet.
You're not showing them?
No.
What? Hang on. Wait. Let me grab my torch. Talk to you like a dog. Wait. Are you ready? If you thought, yeah, this man said a little vibration, there ain't nothing little about that.
Oh, it's got worse as well.
Yeah, that's criminal. Look at it.
Oh, that is literally holding on for dear life.
Look at the rubber.
Looks like it's going to burn out.
It is absolutely horrific. We'll ignore the oil leak.
Yeah, let's ignore that. Oh God, that's it. Holding on for dear life, isn't it?
Yeah, that's really bad.
Well then, today.
So yeah, today on the agenda, long and awaited, we have a new prop shaft donut.
You had this issue on your E90 as well, didn't you?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
So it's quite a common issue with old Beamers.
Yeah, they're just...
But like
I was going to say they're not built amazingly, but
it's lasted
they must
20
be
years.
because it's still holding together.
Yeah, I've been driving this. Oh, you can't really see now. I've been driving this for like a good couple of months because I just haven't had time to do it.
So yeah, we've been and got a new one. Fuck, it's a mouthful. JGP Automotive. Thank you very much. In Preston. Got a mate from Preston. Shout out to Preston.
They got the Prestonians. They've wrapped it well.
They have. They've done really well actually. To be fair.
They were actually really helpful because I didn't realise the auto shafts must be bigger, I assume. So there was
The only reason I'm looking slightly confused is because we've got Allen keys, but anywho, here we are.
donut.
New one. So that is how it should look.
Not the tasty kind.
No. Let's get her on the bench. We got a bit more light.
Yeah, and we know where everything is then.
Excuse the mess. We've been busy.
Yeah, I had a very busy weekend.
We've had an incredibly busy weekend, but here we are. Wasn't as satisfying as it was supposed to be.
Unboxings of OverPerform.
I know.
So I get an overhead angle. Oh, that's a good angle. That is. Fresh bolts.
Fresh bolts. Now I was expecting normal bolts. They're Allen bolts, but no. I'll be honest. I think I've got some genuine ones. Boom.
Donut. That's what it's supposed to
That
look
needs
like.
its own show just in there.
Let me put that on the left of the screen, and I'll put the current one on the right of the screen. Wow, look at the difference.
Let's crack on, I guess, then.
Let's get it installed. So,
Yeah, man.
what are we doing?
Well, installing a prop shaft donut. I don't know about you, bud, but that's what I'm doing. So, I'll be honest, I haven't done one on a 46, but how hard can it be?
I mean, they're all
I'm
pretty.
just saying that we're going to take these off here, obviously. Pry the prop across, donut out, donut in, and check back in with me in an hour, probably when I'm trying to rattle to get this thing off.
We got to get the exhaust off.
Yeah, I'm really hoping we don't.
No, hopefully we don't.
But
We do.
it's one way to find out, isn't it, really?
Right then, what's going on?
Oh, what's going on?
Look at the stance.
Fucking hell.
So,
Hang on. Open your ears. That is
yeah.
yeah.
So, obviously we're going to do the donut.
How you doing
We
the
kind
eyebrow
of-
thing?
Didn't really think about doing the CSB, but we should have. Oh, these lights aren't. Didn't really think about doing the center support bearing. Should have. Obviously, that was so messed up. We just thought that was the issue. But now,
Well, it's basically like, what's going on here? These stink.
yeah. Basically, I need to get that bushing as well. We do it all at the same time. It's basically all the same job. Because if we did this now, we'd have to take this apart again to do the center support. I can't drive it anyway. It's going to have the same issue. So,
Do you
yeah.
want me to explain, or are you happy with that? I was going to explain with you stood next to me. But
I am stood next to you.
Wanna...
It didn't focus at all.
Yes, basically, we looked at this the other day after some extensive fun rounds, to say the least.
What do you mean by that?
Pause.
Yeah,
Extensive
fat balls,
bum
yeah.
rattles.
Extensive bum rattles. And obviously presumed that it was this.
Due to how messed up that was.
Yeah, it's pretty rough. So now the centre bearing's fixed as well, which is absolutely grand. And it's, you just do it all together. It's all the same job.
Even
You've got
if-
to take the prop off to get the centre bearing out. You have to drop the prop to a point.
Because you have to split them.
So because you've got to do that anyway, and you've got to drop the prop down, for the sake of like, what is it, 3 bolts on the back, you're taking the whole prop off. So, and we've got to do that now to the support bearing. There's no point now stripping stuff, because I'm going to have to roll the car out, because I've got other stuff that I need to get in.
This can just be, this is no longer on the road until it gets fixed because
No, this is
physically
you
not
can't, you
able to
can't
be-
drive this, bro.
yeah.
This is absolutely criminal.
no chance.
So yeah, oh the joys. Oh the bloody joys.
Joys of owning BMWs.
3 days later.
Right, so as you can see, my hair's a mess. Ignore the trim. Jack, not that Jack, Barber, I'll be with you soon. But yeah, we're back for day 2. Jacko's clearly very excited. You're not even mic'd up, and I guarantee they could hear that. Yeah, as you've seen on the start of the video, if I've included that, we was going to do the donut bush. Thought it was just that. A bit silly of me. I should have really thought about doing the CSB as well, but obviously how destroyed the donut was, we thought it would just be that. Nonetheless, we've got the donut bush now, which I'll unbox in a second. Sorry, the CSB bush, which I'll unbox in a second. We're going to get the car up in the air, get the whole prop out, but obviously need to drop the exhaust for that. Get everything out, hopefully get it fixed, and the car should be feeling a lot nicer. So yeah, let's get the new part. As you all know, BMW boys, Febby, Melly, they are the good manufacturers of aftermarket or slash OEM BMW parts. This is the new CSB center support bearing. For those of you that don't know, as you can see, it is fresh. We'll see what the old one is like when we get it out. And over here we have the fresh donut bush. So without further ado, it didn't even focus on you then.
Thank God for that.
Let's get this sorted. My name's Jacko, look at my soap.
If you're in the trade, you probably know this by now. Look at that. Oh, just looks like
Filler.
wet sand.
What's been going on here?
Nothing.
Looks like a little face. Ooh. Ah.
So now I've got soap all over my gloves, and that's good.
Smells bloody lovely.
It's alright, to be fair.
Right, let's actually get to the install now.
We also just not forget that today is a Tuesday. It's currently 30 degrees outside. You haven't seen this fat wall here.
Black.
Yeah, everything's
Black.
Not only that, it's metal. So that is a radiator.
Heat.
Yeah, it's
We're basically being
pretty fucking. We're being
air
cooked.
fried. Yeah,
we're being cooked. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to say chat on me cuts because that's gay.
We're cooked, yeah.
Oh,
Tell like, what's his name? Neon.
Yeah. Oh, tell. Oh, don't even get started on that bitch.
Right, let's actually.
Get in that fucking car.
Yeah, let's go. Why'd you call me?
Knobhead, look at that.
Let's show him. Wait, let me put. Oh, dearie me.
Yeah, no wonder we had a vibration. Jesus Christ. That is, yeah. Anyone hungry? No, just me? Oh, okay.
Looks like chewing backy.
Oh. Oh, she's stiff.
That's how we like it.
In the f***ing right way and all.
So, in true Zach fashion, I forgot to film an outro. Now, that was a very long night. A massive, massive thank you to Jacko at OverPerform. Make sure you go follow his socials. I'll pop them all up on the screen here. If you're local and you want some work done on your car, even if you're not local and you want some work done on your car, drop him a DM. I'm sure he'll sort you out. Just tell him I sent you. But yeah, the car, I drove it home late last night. It feels absolutely amazing. Honestly, as fun as the mods are, the fix-it parts that actually make the car feel nicer to drive are often sometimes my favourite to do. But yeah, that is a common thing on E46s that does go. It's the CSB, the centre support bearing, and the prop shaft donut. Got both of those sorted now, so it should last a long time. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And don't forget, there'll be a new video every single Sunday at 5 PM. And for me, I'll catch you guys in the next one.